Meaning of infallibility.
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 Infallibility. Infallibility refers to the state of being incapable of making mistakes or being wrong. It is often used in reference to religious or spiritual leaders who are believed to possess divine guidance and therefore cannot err in matters of faith or doctrine. The concept of infallibility is also applied in fields such as science and logic, where certain principles are considered to be indisputable and universally true. In essence, infallibility is the quality of being trusted without question or doubt, due to a perceived or actual inability to make errors.